Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the infuser was actually not getting in place when the grinder was being activated, so all the coffee grounds were just falling out in the tray and it was just making a huge mess over here. So it was just the transmission that needed to be replaced. This little guy over here, as you can see, big thing over here. We pretty much remove it. Pretty much rewire all these cables, remove the old transmission. We pretty much clean everything inside here, put the transmission back in there, reroute the cables and secure everything. And we also did a tune on the machine. We replaced the infuser, this one over here, deep clean the spouts, descale the machine, replace the o-ring from the generator, as well as deep clean the generator shower head. And let's test it out, starting with one shot of espresso. And good water for the machine. 2 ounces of water. Yes. And as you can see, puck is inside there and no grounds on the tray. We're gonna test the hot water now. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. So thank you for bourbon Kanen coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.